4 ways to reduce belly fat. Exercise, diet, sleep, and stress reduction are the 4 cornerstones of belly fat management. 1. Exercise. Vigorous exercise burns down visceral fat as well as other types of fat. Get at least 5 days a week of moderate exercise, ideally for 30 minutes. Walking is acceptable as long as it is vigorous enough to cause you to perspire more than usual and raise your heart rate. 2. Diet. There isn't a magic diet that will eliminate abdominal fat. However, the first thing to typically lose weight on any diet is belly fat. 3. Sleep. Getting the appropriate amount of ZZs is beneficial. One study found that those who slept 6 to 7 hours per night over the course of 5 years developed less visceral fat than those who slept 5 or fewer hours per night or 8 or more hours per night. 4. Stress. Everyone experiences stress. It matters how you manage it. The ideal activities for you to engage in are unwinding with friends and family, practicing meditation, working out to release tension, and seeking counseling. You are now healthier and more capable of making wise decisions for yourself. In order to change your life now, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.